Yabona guys, we're back on this YouTube channel and we're back forever, and now I'm not gonna abandon this. Today's video, we are talking about the following. What if you are intelligent and you're not aware of it? What if you are very intelligent but you're just not aware of your intellectual capabilities? The problem is, if you are not aware of who you are, chances are you can never be a great person because you are not aware of who you are. You know what I'm saying? Have you ever had this where most of the time in movies, you will see that there's what we call it love interest, or no, not love interest. It's called what? Deuteragonist, where the steering, as we use the castle language, basically the person called steering is the lead character in another, that's another way of saying it. That person will always have these people around. Look, oh yes, in a movie, the other way is called that person who's steering. The right word, we call them protagonist. So a protagonist will always have what we call it deuteragonist. Deuteragonists are the people that are following him wherever he fails. You know what they normally do? They remind him of who he is. In other words, they will tell him that, listen, you have defeated this battle and this battle and this battle. You have won here and here. You are failing here. No, man, this is not a difficult task. It's you can, you know what I'm saying? What if I'm saying to you today, there is something in you, it's just that you're not aware of it. Can I awaken the beast by giving you 8 signs of a high intelligent person? Allow me to take this opportunity to go into it. Let's start with sign number 1. People with high intellectual capacity, as it is written, they are constantly curious. So curiosity kills the cat, so they say. I don't know whether that is true or not, but you know what I know? What I know is when a person is curious, is most likely to achieve more in life, because you are always asking yourself, why is this thing made the way it is? Why is this thing positioned the way it is positioned? It is written the following: if you have ever met someone who never seems to run out of questions, you might be dealing with a high intelligent individual. Their curiosity knows no boundaries, and they always eager to learn more about the world around them. They might question everything from the most profound scientific theories to the most mundane everyday occurrence. This, The point here is a person with intelligence, with high curiosity, they are restless, forever inquiring for more, and that is what sometimes can create enemies, because some people will feel like this person is busy, is noisy, obstructive, and Gandhi, it's just a genuine desire to understand how things work, why things happen, and what makes people tick. You know what I'm saying? That's a person with high intelligence. You probably who've got. You know what I'm saying? Guess what's sign number 2? Sign number 2, they enjoy solitude. Okay. In other words, they enjoy their me time. They call it me time, others. While socializing and networking are often associated with intelligence, particular emotional intelligence, high intelligent individual might actually prefer spending time alone. This isn't because they are antisocial or dislike people. Rather, they often find solitude to be a powerful tool for introspection and self-reflection and deep thinking. I always wonder when a person is constantly talking, and I always go like, when do you get time to think? I mean, you're always talking, forever talking. When do you get time to think? Have time, you know what I'm saying, to yourself? That was sign number 2, solitude. Sign number 3 is they are adaptable. Can I tell you something, guys? I don't know what is injured with my nose. I don't know why. But can I tell you something, guys? Do you know why Nokia today is, you know what I'm saying, where it is? It was once a big giant that was number 1. Today they are there because of a problem of failing to adapt. But intelligent people can adapt, so it is written. Adaptability is another trait often found in high intelligent people. They are quick to adjust to new situations, changes in plans, or unforeseen circumstances. This adaptability is not only about survival, but it's also about thriving in a world that is ever changing. Intelligence often correlates with the ability to learn quickly, apply that learning effectively to different scenarios. This means that those with high intelligence can swiftly adjust their thought process, behavior, and strategies to fit new situation. Wow. I hope I'm awakening the beast in you. I hope so. That's me, by the way. We are going to sign number 4. Remember, the signs are 7. So please bear with me as I take you to this journey. Sign number 4, they are sensitive to others' experience. Let's go for it, this one. Despite stereotypes of the genuine with no social skills, high intelligent individuals often show a deep understanding of other people's feeling and experience. They are capable of stepping into someone else's shoes, and this empathy allows them to connect with people on a profound level. And just before you conclude and say, I'm not intelligent, or I'm intelligent, because there's also a danger of you looking at one sign and say, I fit the criteria. Before you get there, relax. For you to conclude that you are intelligent, you must at least meet the entire criteria. Or at least, if I give you 7 signs, at least when you must have met 4, 5. Then you can consider yourself intelligent. For instance, number 1 is my biggest trait. I'm forever curious. But I can't conclude that I'm intelligent unless I meet, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so let's go to number 5. Number 5, they are prone to overthinking. Overthinking, guys, have got a problem of ruining relationships, and overthinking has got a problem of ruining good businesses because people are overthinking. What if I fail? What if what if this happened? Hey, overthinking, guys, is very dangerous. But nonetheless, these people, they are prone to overthinking, right? We all have moments where we can't help but overanalyze a situation or replay a conversation in our heads. For highly intelligent individuals, this overthinking can be a constant companion. Having a high active brain means they always processing information, analyzing situation from every angle, and contemplating possible outcome. Yay! One of the problem, women are forever creating problems and having to say sorry and all the stuff. It's because one of the problem women are forever angry or fighting. It is because of this. This is one trait that is mostly found in women. This specific one, number 5, where they overthink everything. What if it's cheating? Then again, a fight will ensue because they think, what if? But that same traits can be found in other men, you know what I'm saying, who are prone to overthinking. Here's second last, which is number 6. They have a unique sense of humor. I don't know if I have a humor myself. I always wonder if I do have a humor or not. I'm just saying. But again, high intelligent people often have a unique and sometimes a quick sense of humor. They can find amusement in situations or jokes that others might not understand or appreciate. I recall a friend who always find the funny side of things, even the most unexpected places. Their jokes were often reloaded with meaning, requiring a bit of thinking to fully appreciate everything. Now let's go to the last one, which is sign number 7. They are always the best at simple tasks. I made a mistake, guys. But they are not always the best at simple tasks. It makes sense if you have read all the things that I've been named from point number 1 until point number 6. Especially if you start from point number 1, curiosity, high curiosity, this and this and this and this. So it will make sense that they will struggle at point number 7, where they are not always the best in simple tasks. Here is the hard truth: being high intelligent doesn't mean you are good at everything. In fact, some of the most intelligent people can struggle with seemingly simple tasks. You ask me, Bongs, what is this? What do you mean? Okay, in fact, this isn't because they are incapable or inept. Rather, their minds are often preoccupied with complex thoughts and ideas, which can make focusing on mundane tasks challenging. It's like a child with HD. It's called what? ADHD, yes. ADHD, yeah. They are forever, they have a lot of energy. So you can't keep them. I think that makes a perfect sense. You can't keep those children in one place. You cannot expect them to sit in a desk throughout the day and just look at people. And no, those ones, they have a lot of energy in them. That's why when you're looking at the schools that are specializing with them, they give them tasks. They are forever busy with something. So is this, maybe these people are struggling from the same thing mentally though, because they are forever their mind is forever solving problem, thinking, analyzing and everything. Now when you give them the simple task, because they are now used or accustomed to this idea of thinking deep and applying things and all the stuff, a person will be defeated by a task and you're like, when? At your level, the things you have accomplished, you are defeated by this simple task. I hope today you understand that it's not the task per se, it is what the mind is accustomed to. The other time I once heard of a driver who was used to driving the big trucks. So he was given a simple car. Take the car, my man, drive. Guess what? They say, the driver was horrible in driving a small car, but he's used to driving big trucks. They say because he's constantly driving these trucks all around. A small car gave him a problem. But let's finish this one. For instance, they might forget where they place their keys, miss a scheduled appointment, or struggle to follow basic cooking recipe. They speak about cooking, guys. I've actually came to realize that I'm horrible and I will never try cooking anymore. But I'm not saying I'm intelligent. I'm just saying, now that they are mentioning cooking, other thing, young, but it's not that these tasks are beyond their capabilities. It's just that their mind can be in themselves, can be elsewhere, engaged in deep thought process. So if you know someone who often seems absent-minded or struggle with everyday tasks, don't be quick to conclude they are irrelevant. As a matter of fact, you stayed with me up to this long. So what's the bonus? Here's the bonus. Number 8, they value authenticity. Oh my God. Above all, high intelligent people value authenticity in themselves and in others. By the way, do you know that for you to win on YouTube, you need to be as authentic as possible? People love authentic individuals. Do you know that? But let's proceed. They are not interested in pretense or playing games. They prefer to engage with individuals who are genuine and honest. They appreciate authenticity because it always allows for meaningful connections and conversations. They aren't afraid to show their true selves with all their quickies, that word, and eccentricities. They appreciate when others do the same. Authenticity also extends to their pursuit of knowledge. Wow. You know what? I don't want to make it that long. I've done my part. Told you what you're supposed to know. Now that I'm done, Do you meet any, or do you think that you're an intelligent person? Tell me, comment in the comment section below. We want to start 2025 on this note, where we first introspect, and after introspecting, then we will also bring more videos. Don't worry, more videos are coming. See you on the other episode.